Hello children, hope you all are doing well, and today we will go through the answer key of preposition of our second monthly revision. Let us see. A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other word in a sentence. The word preposition means placing before. Preposition is equal to pre plus position, before or beginning. So a preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. The noun or pronoun before which preposition is placed is called the object of the preposition. Preposition can be classified in various ways. Preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of movement or direction. So here are some words of preposition which you have to place. Preposition of time and place. At for definite time. Example, she gets up at 4 a.m. On is used for days and dates. I will visit you on Wednesday. In, it's a part of a month, day, year, season. The Titanic sank in 1912. From to indicates a fixed time span with the beginning and at the end. I worked there from 2010 to 2017. By for the latest time, my mother said that I have to be home by 7 p.m. Within, before and come back within a month. Since beginning time, it has been raining since morning. For period of time, we waited for an hour. On, no movement, there are no prices on the menu. At, near, Jane is waiting for you at the bus stop. Upon, movement, I fell upon the ground. Beside, next to, the boy who sat beside him was his son. Near, she drew car near to him and stopped. Behind, the boy sat behind the king is my cousin. Beyond, to the other side of, there is a small village beyond the forest. Above, higher than anywhere, the water came above your knees. Over, exactly up, a beautiful white bird flew over the lake. Below, lower than anywhere, the apple is below the desk. Under, vertically lower, exactly down, the cat is under the table. Between, in the middle of two person or thing, the ball rolled between the two boxes. Among more than two persons or things, the bee was buzzing among the flowers. In front of, same direction, the dragon statue is in front of a temple. Preposition of movement and direction. To reach. The boys go to the school in group. Towards. On the way. I took a step towards her. Into. Outside to inside. So in, inside plus to motion. He quietly walked into the room. From, point of departure. Pick that pen from the table. Out of, inside to outside. Out, outside plus of motion. The cat jumped out of the box. Through, in the interior of. The car is moving through the tunnel. Over, exactly higher or vertically higher. The robot jumped over the wall. Along, to follow the line. We went for a walk along the beach. Across, one side to another. The truck skidded sideways across the road. OFF off and OF off. OFF off and OF off are opposite to each other. OFF off separation, OF off shows no separation. Example, the ornament is made OF of silver. So we cannot separate silver from the ornament. He jumped OFF off the horse, separated from the horse. By, doer of action by plus automobile. I went to Mumbai by train. The lion was killed by Harry. On, movement, the bus started on time. With, instrument used by. I like to sing song with violin. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with preposition. Number 1. Computers have been shrinking dash size ever since the introduction dash the concept almost 2 centuries dash. So in first dash we will place in, second off and third ago. So our answer will be computers have been shrinking in size ever since the introduction of the concept almost 2 centuries ago. Number 2. The latest developments dash microchip manufacturing is likely to make them even smaller. The earliest prototype dash a computer was invented dash Charles Babbage. So in first we will write in, second of and third by. So the latest developments in microchip manufacturing is likely to make them even smaller. The earliest prototype of a computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Number 3. This machine was called the difference engine. It has 26,000 parts and weighed dash 15 tons. The first electronic computer was introduced towards the end dash World War II. So in first we will write over and second we will write off. So our answer will be, this machine was called the difference engine. It has 26,000 parts and weighed over 15 tons. The first electronic computer was introduced towards the end of World War II. Number 4. The introduction dash the silicon based microchip dash the early 1950s changed the destiny dash computer forever. So in first we will write off, second off, third in and fourth OF off. So the introduction of the silicon based microchip in the early 1950s changed the destiny of computer forever. Number 5. There is a rabbit dash the picture. The boy is sitting dash the chair. Ria is dash the room. So in first in, second on, third in. So our answer will be, there is a rabbit in the picture. The boy is sitting on the chair. Ria is in the room. Number 6. My friend lives dash Delhi. The pencil is dash her hand. So in first blank is in, second is in. So our answer will be, my friend lives in Delhi. The pencil is in her hand. Number 7. Sita is sitting dash to Rita. Tom is hiding dash the box. Mangoes are dash the basket. So first one is next, second one is behind, third one is in. So our answer is, Sita is sitting next to Rita. Tom is hiding behind the box. Mangoes are in the basket. Number 8. Set the mats dash the table. An old lady is sitting dash the tree. There is a tree dash the house. So first blank we will write on, second under, third in front of. So our answer is, set the mats on the table. An old lady is sitting under the tree. There is a tree in front of the house. Number 9. He travelled all dash world when he was 80-year old. Dr. Sharma concluded his speech dash stressing on Buddha's teaching of the importance of charity. So first we will write over, second we will write by. He travelled all over the world when he was 80-year old. Dr. Sharma concluded his speech by stressing on Buddha's teaching of the importance of charity. Number 10. Shivaji Maharaj fought dash every kind of aggression. Don't depend dash others. You must stand on your own feet. Our life promises a lot dash pleasure and we must learn to enjoy it. So in first we will write against, second on, third off. Shivaji Maharaj fought against every kind of aggression. Don't depend on others. You must stand on your own feet. Our life promises a lot of pleasure and we must learn to enjoy it. So children, you have to solve this exercise first by your own and then you go through the answers. Thank you and have a joyful day.